In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Make Damn Sure by Taking Back Sunday off of their album Louder Now. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Make Damn Sure is your favorite Taking Back Sunday song, and let's dive in. This song is going to kick right into that verse guitar part. The song is in half step down tuning, so make sure that your E string is tuned down to E flat, A to A flat, and so on. Everything's a half step down. Let's break down that verse guitar. So we have a lot of single string picking here. What we're going to do is start at the 3rd fret of the 6th string with the middle finger. We're going to hit that twice, and then with the ring finger we'll hit the 4th fret of the 4th string. Then we go 2nd fret of the 5th string, same pattern, keeping the ring finger down on the 4th fret. Then we go pinky to the 5th fret of the 5th string, same pattern, ring finger staying down on the 4th fret. So far we have this. Then we're going to hit an open E string, back to that 4th fret. Then what we'll do is we'll go to this C power chord, so we have 3rd fret 5th string, and then 5th fret 4th string. Same pattern there on those 2 strings. So altogether so far we have this. Then we'll start to repeat that pattern. First pattern's the same, second's the same. Then what we'll do, instead of reaching up here with the pinky, we'll do the 2nd fret of the 6th string, then to the open E, and then what we'll do is go to an A power chord, and what we'll do is arpeggiate that. So we'll play the open A, 2nd fret 4th string, 2nd fret 3rd string. So altogether the second half there is. So that entire part will repeat again, but at this point a distorted guitar comes in with this. We'll hit this A power chord 3 times, and then we'll play this part. I'll play it once through. So what we're doing there is basically following the root note of the other guitar part, and we're palm muting. So what we're doing is 3rd fret 6th string. So this is the root note. We hit that 5 times, and then we go 5th fret 4th string, 4th fret 4th string, 5th fret 4th string. Then we go to 2nd fret 5th string, which is the root note of the other guitar. Then 5th fret 5th string, and then open 6. Back to this alternating part. Then to the C, which is 3rd fret 5th string, and then it repeats. Following the root note. and then we end on that A, 5th fret A string. So that last time through, we don't hit these alternating notes, we just jump straight to. So altogether, that distorted verse guitar sounds like this. And at this point, we kick into the pre-chorus. The rhythm guitar is just going to be playing power chords here that'll sound like this. A C power chord. So all that part is a C power chord. Then it goes to this 2nd fret 5th string, 5th fret 4th string, and then it goes up to a D power chord. That's all it is, just straight 8th notes. And repeats. While that's going on, the lead guitar is playing this. So we'll be up much higher on the neck here, and this part's going to sound like this. So what we're doing there is we're starting on the 17th fret of the 4th string, and then we're on the 19th fret of the 2nd, alternating. Then we go to the 20th fret. Back to 19, back to 20, then we go to 19 of the 1st, and back to 20 of the 2nd. So all together. Then we'll repeat that. But what we'll do now is we'll reach up to the 22nd fret. Now, this model of Strat that I have does not have a 22nd fret, so it's going to be impossible to play this note. But if you have a 22 fret guitar, what you're going to do is play the 22nd fret there. See, that note is the 22nd fret. It should sound like this, but an octave higher. And then we'll just repeat that sequence again. So all together, that part's going to sound like this. Let's play it slow. Up to the 22nd fret there. Repeat. And then it'll end on the 22nd fret there. Again, it should sound like this note, but an octave higher. And then at this point, we'll kick into the chorus. Both guitars will be playing the same part here. And what they'll be doing is playing power chords. So we'll be starting on the G power chord here. So that's 3rd fret, 6th string. Basic power chord shapes. Playing 8th notes. Then we'll go up to the D power chord. And this chord sounds heavy to me in the song, so what I like to do is add the 5th fret of the 6th string in the bass. Then it goes to this chord, 2nd fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 4th string. Then to the C power chord. Again, just 8th notes. So let's play through that whole chorus guitar part. And then we'll kick into the second verse and the second pre-chorus, which is exactly the same as the first. And then we're into the second chorus. The second chorus starts exactly the same way as the first. A little difference here is that we're just going to play it through a second time. So the only difference between the second and the first chorus is we're playing the second chorus twice through. And then we kick into the bridge. So the bridge is going to be using the second and third strings, and we'll be starting on the 8th fret of the second and the 9th fret of the third. And all we're doing here is alternating those strings. Right here the vocal kicks in. We stay at this fret. Then we move to 7th fret, 2nd string. Stay on the 9th fret of the third. 2 measures here. Then we go down. We slide this exact shape down 2 frets. So now we're on the 7th fret of the third and the 5th fret of the second. And what we're going to do now is start the alternating with the third string. So when we were up here, we were starting the pattern with the second. Right? We started with the second. Still started with the second. When we slide down to here, we start with the third down. Then we move down to 5th fret, 3rd string, and 5th fret, 2nd string. So I'm just barring that with my index finger. Start with the 3rd string. 2 measures here. And then we repeat. At this point, we'll kick in with dueling octave swiping guitars. So what that means is one of these guitars is going to be playing octave swipes starting at the 15th fret. Now this guitar, you can lead into this part while that other guitar is playing this. The second time through, what you can do is play 7th fret octave swipe on the 5th string, the 9th fret octave swipe, and then go up to the 15th fret. Okay, so that's 2 bars here, 2 bars here, and then we kick into that dueling octave swiping part. This guitar starts on the 15th fret. Just gonna keep repeating this part. So that's 15th fret. And again, since this is octave swiping, we're including the 17th fret of the third. Down to 14, down to 12, down to 10. Just 8th notes. We're going to bend that up a full step. Now instead of bending, what you can do is you can just go to the 17th fret, but I'm pretty sure the song, the guitar part, is bending up to that pitch. And while that guitar is playing those octaves, the other guitar is playing these. We're starting at the 12th fret of the 6th string here. So that'll include the 14th fret of the 4th. Down to 10. Down to 8, down to 7. Again, just 8th notes, same pattern as the other guitar, just different frets on different strings. And it ends on the 14th. And then we'll play through the last chorus, which again will start the same way as the others. We have this G power chord. Now the rhythm guitar will repeat that again. What the lead guitar will do is it'll kick in with that pre-chorus part. So it'll play this pre-chorus part at the end of the last chorus. And then at the very end of the song, there's a single guitar that plays this outro part. It's really going to use the same notes as this part that we've been playing, but it's going to be an octave lower. So what we'll do is we'll use the open 3rd string. We'll use the 7th fret of the 2nd. We're alternating. up to the 8th fret of the 2nd, back to the 7th, to the 8th, then the 7th of the 1st string, back to the 8th of the 2nd. So far we have this. Then we repeat. And then the very last chord we hit is this open 3rd string, and then 8th fret of the 2nd and 10th fret of the 1st. So all together, that outro part Was Taking Back Sunday the best emo band? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.